Hello guys, welcome to the daily forex. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade boom and crash indices, okay, and how you can also catch spike on boom and crash indices. So you go to the chart, okay, you set your zoom to the third zoom, zoom 1, you zoom in again 2, and you zoom in again zoom 3, okay, as you can see. Then you go to your indicators. Okay, you go to your indicators and you choose the average directional movement index. You set it to default, you click on done. Okay, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, once you want to catch spike on boom and crash indices, this strategy you are going to use is a very good strategy. Okay, now as you can see the overbought level, you can see it was about to spike. Now you can see when the downtrend is about to go down, right here it spike again. Then after about 6 candles there was another spike. Now this is what I want you to know. You can see in the trend when it's about to spike, you can see at this point right here, when it's about to cough down a little bit, it's about to spike. You can notice the same thing right here. When the trend is about to go down again and it's about to cough down, you see there was a spike, and you see there was a spike right here. So now let's see. Okay, so you can see right here there was another spike right here, okay, and there was a long trend. Okay, there was a long trend. So this is what I want to show you now. You see at the same point right here, you can see at the same point when it's about to cough down, there was another spike. So make sure you put in your indicators, you set it to average directional movement index. Okay, you can see. Okay, and when it was on the live trade, you put this average directional movement index so you can know and study the market very well. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now you see after many long candles. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. You see, when you want to catch spike, you notice that the trend is equal to, when there was a long trend, when there's a long trend, okay, you can see at this point, at this overbought level point, you can see that when the trend is about to go down, it's about to spike. You can see there is a very long spike right here at this very point. Okay, at point 108.90, you can see the spike right here on 1000 index. Okay, now I'm going to show you this again. Okay, so you can see right here at the same point when the line is about to go down, there's another spike. This spike occurs again. Okay, it occurs again, as you can see right here. So this Africa spike on boom 1000 index. Okay, so guys, take a look at this point. Okay, this is where it's tricky. Now you can see right here, if you notice this line, this green line right here, it looks as if it's about to spike. Right now, when you see this long trend, you see this very long trend right here, and at this very point there was a curve. There was a curve as if it was going up. As you can see, this curve right here as if it was going up. Then after that curve, you see right here there was a spike and it went down, and you see right here this very curve, then you see this red candle. Okay, you see this very point as if it's about to spike. Okay, then you see right here there was a spike. Okay, now you see this place right here, the same thing happened again. You can see. So this is how to catch spike in boom 1000 index. Okay, then you set your indicators. Okay, you change it to a moving average. Okay, you put it on default. You leave the average directional movement index. Okay, do not remove it. Now you can see. Okay, now you can see. So guys, as you can see, at this point right here, when the red line crosses above the green line, you see right here, you notice that it's about to spike. Okay, you notice. Now take a look at this place right here. Take a look at this place. When it crosses the overbought level, you see that it's about to spike. It's about to spike. Okay, so guys, that is how to catch spike on boom 1000 index. So now let's go to crash 1000. Okay, crash 1000 index. You can see this is crash 1000 index, and you can see the 1 minute time frame. You can see it sets to 1 minute time frame. Okay, you can see it set to 1 minute time frame. You can also set it to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, but I'm going to be using the 1 minute time frame. Okay, the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, now you go to your indicators, you clear all the indicators. Okay, so now as you can see, this is crash 1000 index. Okay, crash 1000 index. So here we go, guys. Now when you want to catch spike on crash 1000, you go to your indicators, you put on average directional movement index, you set it to default. Okay, click on done. Now guys, as you can see, you put in the pointer. You can see right here. Now take a look at these guys. Once you notice that the trend is about to go down right here, it's about to crash. Look at it. At this very point, you can see at this very point, when the green line crosses the overbought level, it's about to crash. Look at you can see. So right here, you can see again right here at this very point. So now take a look at these guys. At this very point, you can see at this very point, when the trend is going down, you notice that it's about to spike. So when you're trading on boom and crash indices, you make sure you want to turn on your indicators, okay, so that you can study the market and the trends. Okay, you can study the charts very well when you trade the boom and crash indices, so that you'll be able to know the spikes, so that you'll be able to catch spike when it's about to crash or when it's about to boom. Okay, so guys, this will be the end of this video. Okay, so my next video, I'm going to be showing you more strategies on how to trade boom and crash on other indices. Okay, so if you find value in this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so that you can see more videos from the daily forex. Okay, see you guys on the next one.